So to kick it off, I'm going to first present a raffle award. So the first raffle winner is Usman from the team Control Alt Elite. You won the pink and gray penguins. Next, I'll be presenting a team award. So for the People's Choice during the GoA Championship was for Team Tech Girls. So this is Advaita, Mobina, Irene, and Maria.
Oh wait, shake hands here, please.
Presenting the
All right, so I'll be presenting the best product team. So this is a team award. What I'll do is I'll bring up each person individually, and then when we want to do a group thing together. So maybe if you just stand up to the side, and we'll then at the end we'll do a photo together. So first, there's Audrey.
There's too many trophies.
product is a little bit
Oh yeah, you can just wait here till your team comes.
Next is Derek. Next is Avira. Next is Rachel. I think we can just get you all back here. Is that what you
We'll get a team photo or a team video with you too. All right, smile. All right, good stuff. Congratulations.
I can speak with like a sound thing. I can call it line All right. The next award will be for Best Design, which we'll be presenting to Saucy Inc. All right, so first person will have Trevor come up. Congratulations, Leah. Sorry, it's a little sorry.
Team photo. You guys too.
Yeah. One of each side.
Or we'll see.
Okay.
Okay. All right, wonderful. Thank you. Okay, good job. You know what? Sorry. So this tells you we hadn't done an award ceremony in person for a while. We just gave out the trophies, we didn't give out the prizes. Okay, Maria is not here. Why did I know?
Wait, I know. This was 2000.
Trevor, you had a whole bunch too.
Yeah. How am I gonna do?
Wow. You have a lot of squishy things. Yeah. Okay. You just do them one by one?
No, do it all together.
Okay, you got the Kirby. Oh my god. Oh my god. And then more. And you have more. I don't watch the
Okay.
Oh, wait. All right. Okay, so now we come to the champion team, which is the champion team, which is the Asians. Okay. So the Asians. So yeah, congratulations. So first person I want to call up is Karen Veer. Karen Veer. Next we have Jeannie. Congratulations. And next, we have Max. Okay, next we have Darsh. Darsh, you have a whole bunch. You have the show. You have the Minecraft Reaper. And you have the Piggy in the Hood. Okay, and then last but not least is Eugene. We have one more award that we're going to give. It's a special award. This is for Aki. Aki joined Game of Apps in, I can't remember what season now, but she was in grade 8 and she's now in grade 11. So she's joined Game of Apps for 4 years. So she's the longest student we've ever had. So, I'm glad that you're patient with us. And hopefully you'll join us again next year, that you go all 5 years to grade 12. So we have a special prize for Aki. So come on up here. So Aki's team also won the championship last year. So last year her team won.